we can be a bit more specific about the position of that background image. So for example, if we use background and then position, and there are some options here. Okay, so for example, we could have center, go back to our HTML page. There we go. You notice that it's been completely centered, so not only is it centered in the X direction but also in the Y direction. But we can do things like top center as well. Let's have a look at what effect that has. There we go. Okay, so the top of the image here is centered rather than the whole of the image centered as before. And we can use, for example, instead of top center, we can also use bottom center. There we go. So there's a whole load of keywords that you can use, so top, left, right, bottom, and whether it's centered or not. If we want to be really precise about where our image is placed, our background image is placed, we can actually specify it in the number of pixels away from the top left hand corner of our div. So for example, if we want it 100 pixels in the X direction and 10 pixels in the Y, then we can put in 100 px, px just down to pixels, space 10 px. And if we save that and refresh, and there we go. So we're now 100 from the left hand edge and we're 10 pixels from the top of our div. So we can really accurately position where our background image is going to be.